Today, we've got some exciting rumors and leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that you won't want to miss. But before we dive into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest tech news. Now let's get started. So, word on the street is that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might just have a completely revamped design. If you weren't a fan of this 24 Ultra design, it looks like Samsung is working on something fresh. According to a reliable tipster, Russ, the design master Hubert Aves Lee, known for his work with Mercedes-Benz, is now putting his touch on the Galaxy S25 series. That's right, a whole new look might be on the horizon. Exciting, isn't it? Now let's talk about the powerhouse behind the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Even though the S24 Ultra just hit the market, rumors about its successor are already buzzing. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, codenamed Tanzi, is expected to be announced later this year, featuring Qualcomm's own CPU cores replacing the ones from ARM Holdings. No low-power efficiency cores this time, just 2 powerful Phoenix CPU cores and 6 medium-performance Phoenix CPU cores. Hold on to your seats, folks, because the Galaxy S25 Ultra might come equipped with the Adreno 830 GPU. Manufactured by TSMC using its 3M process node, this chipset is anticipated to deliver a jaw-dropping multi-core Geekbench 6 score of 10,628, significantly surpassing its predecessor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The performance boost is real. Now, if you're a tech geek like me, you'll appreciate the speculation about the chipset configuration. Say goodbye to the Cortex cores, as an extra high-performance core might be added to the mix. The 2 low-power cores are likely to be replaced by 2 more medium-performance cores. It's like upgrading your phone's engine for an even smoother ride. Looking ahead, there's speculation that Qualcomm might split the production of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 between TSMC and Samsung Foundry. Interesting move, right? And let's not forget the possible 16 gigabytes of RAM in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with whispers of 2 storage options, a feature initially expected for the S24 Ultra. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy F55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy F54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy F53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy F52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S25 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S25 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy S54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy S55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy S55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy S55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.